Hi guys, it is Tiffany Elizabeth and I am back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be talking to you guys about the difference between your Y-O-U-R and your Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. It's nice to at least know the differences because it can like totally change up a conversation. And some people truly struggle with this. So hopefully you find this video helpful, and if you do, feel free to leave a comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so first I'm going to kind of explain to you what these mean. So your is the contradiction between you and are. So for example, let me use your in a sentence. Let's see. You are... You're going to the mall. That means you are going to the mall. And I'm going to use your in a sentence. Tie your shoes. See the difference there? When you say tie your shoes versus saying tie your shoes. It doesn't make sense to say tie your shoes. That makes no sense. Tie your shoes. So when you see the word Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, that's saying you are. You know what I mean? Think about it. It kind of makes sense when you look at it. Okay, let's do another example. Now this one is the super tricky one and people butcher this all the time and it kills me. Oh, where, were, and where. I'm about to explain now. All right, you got wear as in I'm wearing a shirt. W-E-A-R. Or you got where referring to a place. Where to? Atlanta? Jamaica? You can break down where into like different categories. And then you got where. And that's saying we are. We're going to the mall, referring to a group of people. Y'all see how like, y'all see what I'm saying? Y'all see what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, here's another one. There. There as in, I'm gonna pack their things. They're referring to a group of people. That's that kind of there. Then you have there referring to a place. T-H-E-R-E. Like I am going to go there. I'm going there. That's T-H-E-R-E. There's another one. There, as in they are. They're going to go shopping. They are going to go shopping. See how it would make sense when you say it in a sentence? I don't know if this is making any kind of sense right now, but thank you so much for watching.